Good afternoon, Joe Victor with Allendale Incorporated with a closing commentary for March 3rd on a Wednesday, and of course today more technical in nature. When it comes to the grains, we did see a weaker U.S. dollar, and it's real easy to explain with the lower dollar, higher crude oil, higher base metals, precious metals, gold and silver. You see those higher and the dollar weaker. That is reason to go ahead and boost the corn and soybeans and wheat higher. However, look at it as being more technically supportive when it comes to the grains. Take a look at our price projections within the Allendale Advisory Report. And when you look at those price projections, it does tell us that we're going into a springtime rally. Also very aware that when it comes to the trade is talking about springtime plantings already. They're also talking about next Wednesday's USDA report already. That is a little bit sublime when it comes to USDA reports in the month of March. We have a WASDE report that comes out next Wednesday at 7:30 in the morning. We also have quarterly grain stocks as well as prospective plantings. I would encourage you, if you have not yet contacted an Allendale representative or gone to our website, be a part of the prospective planting survey that we are conducting. It is our 21st annual, but USDA does have two reports in the month of March. Allendale, as we can suggest, looking for lower corn, soybean, and wheat end stocks for the 2009-2010 marketing year, and with those lower stocks, of course, we have an acreage estimate in mind, and we're looking for lower stocks than where we were even a month ago for the 2010-2011 marketing year. But for the most part, again, it's primarily that weaker dollar, higher crude oil. It's very easy to explain, but again, technical support. I encourage you to look at those price projections. Look at the trading ranges that we're in as we move higher. And, of course, look at those price projections as far as hedging ability when it comes to new crop corn, new crop soybeans, as well as even the new wheat if you manage to plant new crop wheat. And then, of course, spring wheat planting suggestions right now, of course, really have not changed all that great deal. And that is, again, it comes to a deal where, yeah, if tomorrow's might be a little bit better day, no, plant today, and it is primarily in that northwestern corn belt. We will have a special report available for you on Thursday, and it's primarily, again, northwestern corn belt, where there's a lot of things that are wrong right now, a lot of things that potentially can go wrong. Of course, grab a paper and pencil, as we are talking. In the course, what I'm going to do is read for you estimates for the weekly export sales for wheat. You're looking at 300 to 450,000. That is what the trade is anticipating. They're anticipating 350 to 550,000 corn. Wish it was higher. Soybeans, wish this was higher, 200 to 350,000, and of course meal at 75 to 125,000, and of course soybean oil at 10 to 15,000, call it 10 to 25,000, and of course last week a banner week for the soybean oil weekly sales. But there you go for weekly export sales estimates before they come out at 7:30 tomorrow morning. Any questions or comments, feel free to give us a call. The number is 800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. And we're also going to ask you to get involved. We will be back on the road again next week, and that is primarily through Iowa and a little Lincoln, Nebraska. So make sure you check out those particular spots located near you. This is Joe Victor with a closing commentary for March 3rd on a Wednesday. Thank you.